Residence 321 by Ascoz Arquitectura, RIBERA ALTA, Spain. Residence 321, an Asian-inspired oasis by Ascoz Arquitectura. The house is an exhibition of balancing sophistication and comfort. Its structure of concrete strips generates dynamism between light and shadow. Residence 321, which Ascoz Arquitectura signs in Valencia, evokes the same sensations as a stay in a luxury hotel. With more than 625 square meters, 6,500 square feet, spread over 3 levels, this residence is an exercise in balancing sophistication and comfort. Located on a hill in the Valencian region of La Ribera Alta, it combines exotic vegetation, a dreamy pool, and an exclusive style that evokes an exclusive resort overlooking the Pacific. Its structure is based on concrete strips, which create dynamism between light and shadow, between interior and exterior spaces, and terraces with vegetation that produce a different visual sensation. These strips, like the rest of the house, are built in precast concrete based on a planned three-dimensional structure and a carefully studied project. Vegetation is introduced into the interstices of the structure, and outdoor spaces are favored. Thus, the boundaries between the interior and exterior of the house are blurred, achieving a fluid and coordinated image. 2 trees physically integrated into the structure increase the feeling of unity with nature. Living in an oasis. Coming home at night and going to bed as if we were always on vacation. Those were the desires that the family conveyed to us. They longed to feel as embraced and happy in their own home as in the perfect hotel. We closely dialogued with them, took care of every detail, and tried to meet all their expectations. Residence 321 has allowed them to open a new chapter in their lives, explains Damián Ascoz, architect and founder of Ascoz Arquitectura. It is in the details where the house reveals its elegance, in the sophistication of the kitchen and its appliances, in the heated outdoor jacuzzi, in the bamboo that covers the terrace roof, and in the wine cellar that, along with the garage and gym, occupies the basement floor. Some of the essential elements for this family were a 100 square meter, 1,076 square feet, living dining room, a fantasy pool, and a lush garden. The Ascoz Arquitectura team collected their ideas and defined a project tailored to their wishes. The materials, the opening of the 2 rooms to their respective bathrooms on the upper floor, and the streamlined design of the main staircase reflect the unabashed hedonism that the family desired for their new home.